Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Yes, student, in our previous video, we have learned voices of 3 times indefinite, present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, and 2 continuous, present continuous and past continuous. As you know that future continuous is not applicable in passive voice. Today we'll learn perfect tense. All the 3 perfect tense: present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. So what's the formula? Let us see the active voice formula for perfect tense: subject plus helping verb according to the time, present, past and future. Third form of the verb, as you know that in perfect tense we'll always use third form of the verb and at the last object will be there. What happened in passive voice? Obviously, it start with object, then helping verb according to our tense. Third form of the verb, we always use third form of the verb in passive voice, then preposition by, and at the last, subject will be there. Now, in case of present perfect, what helping verb will be there? In active voice, have, has will be there, and when you will change it into passive voice, have, has will be converted into have been, has been according to your object. Past perfect, active voice, helping verb is had, and in passive voice it will become had been. Likewise, future perfect, we have, will have, shall have in active voice, and it will change into will have been, shall have been when you change it into passive voice. Let's have an example. Suppose the sentence is, we have learned the lesson. Learn or learnt, both can be used. Both are British and American, okay? Learn and learnt the lesson. So this is our subject. We are doing what we have done. We have learned, and what we have learned, lesson. So action is transferring to lesson. This is our active voice, and lesson is object. When you change it into passive voice, it will come in the beginning, lesson, then has been, not have, because lesson is singular and we use have with plural noun or first person, I or we, and you, second person. But here it is singular, so we, instead of have, you will use has, and when you change it into passive voice, then has been will be added. The helping verb is has been. Lesson has been, third form of the verb, preposition by, and then our subject. Likewise, if it is in past perfect, instead of have, had will be here, then ultimately you will write it had been. And if it is the future, then it will be we shall have learned the lesson, and here you will write lesson will have been learned by us. Let's do some exercises so that you can more clearly understand how to change the perfect tense active voice into passive voice. Let's come to the working.